Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Chelly, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I declutter my child's room. So first I like to clean the area I'm going to be working on, and that is the bed. Next, what I'm going to do is sort the clothes into 3 piles: a keep pile, a sell or donate pile, and a trash pile. I'm going to keep anything that we like and that fits. Anything else must either go in the garbage bag or in the donate bag. Decluttering her clothes was the best option because she has a lot of it and most of it doesn't fit her anymore because she's growing out of it, and there's a lot of clothes she doesn't wear anyway, so this was the best option to get rid of a lot of stuff. It also has been about 3 years since I really decluttered her room, so this was really good for us because her clothes was getting out of hand and also her shoes, but for now we are just doing her clothes, and I'm only going to take an hour to do it so I won't get burned out. The items that you want to throw away for sure are underwear, socks, and anything that is ripped or has holes in it, or even stains. This girl has a lot of clothes. As you can see, this basket is one of the ones that had recently been washed and dried, and you will not see at the end of the video the other 2 that we had washed and dried, but as soon as they came out, I did the same thing as I'm doing now. I feel like Molly skipped over a size this year. Like, she grew so much this year that I feel like she skipped sizes 10 and 12 and went all the way to 14. But she is growing really fast, so this was good to make way for the new clothes that we're going to get her during the summer. Does anyone else feel like when you just moved into your house, it was a lot easier to keep clean and decluttered? I think it was because I didn't have so much stuff, and I think that's one of the reasons why I can't keep the house clean, or I get stressed and frustrated and I just don't want to deal with it, so I put a mental block on my brain and just like not even see the mess. But if anybody else feels like that, leave a comment down below and let me know how you deal with it, because this is driving me nuts. So this is why I had to do this declutter, and this is not the only place I'm gonna declutter for sure. I'm gonna finish her room first and then get to Leah's and then mine and my husband's. But I think the most hard part is parting with the stuff. Like, what do you do with the rest of it? Like, what do you do with the boxes? That's my big thing, but we will see. See these cute dresses? It's so hard for me to get rid of their cute little clothes. I'm staying strong, guys. Staying strong. Guys, I think I'm secretly a hoarder, and I don't want to be like that no more, because I feel like if I continue in the path I am, my kids will follow in it, and then it'll be bad for them, and they'll be like, well, my mom did it, and I just don't want that for them. So here, I'm gonna try to do this at least every 6 months or at least once a year, so that they can get used to it and help me, because as you've seen, my little Leah helping out here, she loves to help out when she sees us doing all this kind of stuff. And you just saw me rip a tag out of some clothing. Yes, that was a tag. And yes, those are Christmas pajamas. It's hard for me to stay on track with my decluttering of the clothing. Here you'll see me take out some shoes and put them in the toss pile. But I do want to thank you all for staying and watching the video till the end. And on my next video, you'll see me declutter Molly's school stuff, all the arts and crafts she did at school and brought them home. Yeah, there's a big mess of that too. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.